So this is for the assignment 3 and this is question 1. So in this question 1 we are just making sure that the camera info is sent only once. We So for this we separate the put the world matrix in one constant buffer and the view and projection matrix in another constant buffer, and then we send we send the data accordingly in the draw stage. So this ensures that only the camera stage like gets updated once for the whole scene instead of like once per model. So initially it was like we are all three were in one buffer, and for each model we have to keep sending the world view and projection matrix. But with this change, I have made sure that the for the whole scene, the view and projection matrix is being sent only once, and for each model, the world matrix is being sent once for each model. So that's for question 1, and this is the running. So for question 2, both unit pyramid and unit box have been done. The unit sphere is kind of not working, so that's been shifted to later. But this is for question 2, and question 3. Here we can see that the pyramid has been implemented. The pyramid is being done inside the model class, and similar to the unit box. And also we are displaying it in two different colors using the shader. So that's question 2 and 3 done. So for question 4 we are displaying 4 models. 2 models are displayed by simple color 3D and 2 models are by color select 3D. As you can see, the first 2 models is being displayed by the simple color 3D. As such, we need to send worldview projection matrix to the constant buffer, and that's what gets updated. And for the last 2, we so we have the 4 models here. So the last 2 we need to send the world data and the color to the color select 3D constant buffer, and that gets done. So how we are doing it is that like we are for each model we are setting the stager setting to context and then drawing in the draw stage itself. Initially this used to be done in the initialization stage, but now we are as we have different models, like we are like shifting it from the initialization stage to the draw stage. And so the shader for each model is being like set in the draw stage instead of the initialization stage, and this is the result. We have 4 models two by color select 3D and two by simple color 3D. So this is question number 4, and going to the further work for the demo. So for the demo, like we have two models, but three models are being rendered on the screen. Is that I'm just like reusing the model 2 twice. So the uses of this is that like each model, like we are using the new, so memory allocation is being done. So like instead of like wasting memory, we are like being able to reuse this. So that's the one of the biggest reasons for not, this is like we are not wasting memory. So if you are having same data, then we can use the same pointer and such save memory, since we are like using keyword new and that allocates memory. This is just an optimization technique. And for the final one, like this is what I haven't like the shaded class. So I thought about making it like a singleton pattern, and in that, like the main function is the shader file. This, it takes in a file name, a vertex shader and a pixel shader. So it takes the file name, compiled from file, and then the the pointer to the vertex shader is being sent to this vertex shader, and the pointer to the pixel shader will be sent to this pixel shader. And these two parameters will be used by the used by the context to set the vertex and the pixel shader. So that's it for